echoes in my chest, a hollow drum. Heartbeat slow, where did the light come from? Raindrops tap the glass, a metronome. Chasing ghosts in a house I call home. Shadows in the rain, they call my name. Whispers in the dark, I'm not the same. Falling through the cracks, I feel the pain. Shadows in the rain. Shadows in the rain. Memories spill, ink on the floor. Wounds so deep, they knock at my door. Clouds roll heavy, a storm in my veins. Every tear I cry just adds to the chains. Can you hear me in the thunder's growl? Lost my way, searching mile for mile. A candle burns, but the wax runs dry. Shadows linger, they don't say goodbye. Shadows in the rain, they call my name. Whispers in the dark, I'm not the same. Falling through the cracks, I feel the pain. Shadows in the rain. Shadows in the rain. Piano keys hum, a song for the lost. Dreams unravel, what's the cost? Shadows in the rain, they stay. They stain. I'm a silhouette wrapped in the refrain.